Okay, go to Wix.com and log in to your account using the email address and password that you set up at the beginning of the week. Once you are logged in, you will see My Site. Go to My Site, select Actions, Edit Site. Now you will see the section of your website where you can edit, and you want to select the Add symbol on the left-hand side of the screen. Go to Add, Images, select Images, and now you want to upload images. You have a folder on your desktop that has all of your work from your junior year. Go to Upload Media, go to the folder on your desktop, select the media that you want to upload. It will take a few minutes for your files to upload. Now that your files are uploaded, you can go ahead and X out of the screen. Go back to your main page, select Pages, go to the Design page on your website. Now that you're at the Design page, go back to the Add button, go to My Image Uploads, select the image that you want to add to your design page. You can now resize the images. Place them where you want and resize. Once you're finished, press Save. Now we're going to go back to the Add button because we want to add video to your video production page. In order to do this, we will need to find the Add button again, scroll down to Video, and select a video template. Okay, so you see that I have a video box. I'm going to place it underneath my title. But now I need to add my video. So I'm going to upload the video to a video library. Same steps as uploading your graphic design work. Go to your desktop, folder, select the video file, select Open, and now you will see it in your video library. Okay, so now we want to make sure that our video will show up on our page. Go to Video Settings and select One Video. Okay, so you see how it shows up. Click Save, and you have uploaded video to your Wix website.